Hey everyone! Welcome to the Complete HTML course. In this course, you'll learn how to build a strong website foundation from the absolute basics to advanced concepts using only HTML. Even if you've never coded before, don't worry. This course will guide you step by step, starting with the fundamentals and progressing towards more complex HTML. We'll learn by doing, building real-world projects that will solidify your understanding of HTML. By the end of this course, we'll create a personal blog together, showcasing the power of HTML. I'm Destriegieta, and I'm passionate about helping you learn HTML. If you find these tutorials helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel for more coding adventures. And if you'd like to show your support, a virtual coffee would be greatly appreciated.